Hello students, this is the video of standard 3 subject science, chapter number 6, and the chapter name is understanding birds. So students, in our previous video we already learned about body parts of a bird, and their feet and claws. Different birds have different feet and claws, and its beak. Different birds have different types of beaks according to their food. And feathers, flight feather, down feather, and flight, down, and which types? Last one, body feathers. Flight, down, and body feathers. So after that, what we learn? How birds fly. How birds fly. Upstroke and downstroke. Then after, types of beaks. So in this video we learn about nesting habits of birds. Today's topic is nesting habits of birds. Types of nest. How many types of nest? 5. Scrap nests, burrow nest, cavity nest, coppet nest, pendant nest, and care of the young. How birds care its young one. These are the topics of today's, and here are some questions that we do after explanation this. So students, birds like vulture and kites. Birds like vulture and kites can fly very high, while sparrow can fly very low. Vulture और kite कैसे, कहाँ हाई फ्लाई करते हैं? वेरी हाई, ऊपर तक जाते हैं वो. बट स्पैरो फ्लाई वेरी लो, उतना वो नहीं उड़ पाता. एंड pigeons and crow have strong muscles. Strong and which types of muscles? Strong flight muscles, and can fly long distance. Sparrow and crow can fly very long distance. Hens and peacock can fly only a short distance. There are some birds like penguin that cannot fly. सब birds fly नहीं कर सकते like penguin at all, because they have weak flight muscles. Why penguin cannot fly? Because penguin have weak flight muscles and heavy bodies. However, they can walk fast on the ground and swim in water. Penguin can walk fast on the ground and swim in water. So here one first topic, nesting habits of birds. So birds build nest to lay their eggs. Why birds build their nest? To lay their eggs. And they build their nest in safe and hidden places like rooftop, ceiling fan, old buildings, poles, and hollows of trees and in bushes. Why? To become safe. They build their nest in safe and hidden places, and these places save them from enemies and bad weather. These types of places like rooftop, ceiling fan, old buildings, these all places safe from the enemies and bad weathers. So, birds use leaves, twigs, grasses, feathers, wool, cotton, rocks, mud and even pebbles to build their nest. वो अपना नेस्ट बनाने के लिए क्या क्या यूज करते हैं? लीव्स, twigs, grass, feathers, wool, cotton and pebble also. And the nest prevents the eggs and young ones from falling down and keep them safe and warm. This nest that bird builds prevent their eggs and young ones from falling down and keep them safe and warm. And students, different birds build different types of nest. Different birds have different types of nest and different birds builds different types of nest. That the nest differ in size, shape, location and in the materials used to build them. It is differ in size, size में अलग, shape में अलग, लोकेशन भी अलग एंड इन द मटेरियल ऑल्सो जो यूज़ करते हैं वो नेस्ट बनाने के लिए दैट्स ऑल्सो डिफर. सो फर्स्ट वन टाइप्स ऑफ नेस्ट विच वन? स्क्रैप नेस्ट. बर्ड्स लाइक पेंगुइन, ऑस्ट्रिच, वल्चर एंड कोयल मेड स्क्रैप नेस्ट. विच वन? Ostrich, penguin and quail build these types of nest, scrap nest. They have shallow depression in the ground or in the leaf litter. The nests are sometimes lined with leaves, grasses, small stones or feathers. These materials help to camouflage the eggs. So, keep them warm and safe and in place. Now, next one, burrow nests. Birds like swallow and kingfisher. Birds, example, swallow and kingfisher make these types of nest. And nest, they dig the ground with their bills and push the soil out of the cavity by shuffling their feet. When they build these types of nest in the ground, they dig the ground with their bills. First, they dig the ground with their bills and push the soil out of the cavity. Then after, with the help of their feet. So, these tunnel burrows vary in their depth and end in an enlarged chamber where the birds keep their nest. These types of nest also called tunnel nest also, and it is vary in depth and enlargement. डेप्थ एंड इनलार्ज में ये क्या होता है, फर्क फर्क बनाते हैं. सो दैट्स वाई द बर्ड्स ले देयर एग्स इन इट. नाउ कैविटी नेस्ट. बर्ड्स लाइक woodpecker, owl and parrot. Woodpecker, owl and parrot make cavity nest. And these birds make a cavity in a living or a dead tree. Where they build these types of nest, cavity nest, birds like woodpecker, parrot, owl, these types of birds builds cavity nest in a living or dead trees, and woodpecker use their beaks. Which types of beaks woodpecker have? Seashell. So, to excavate means dig out. Woodpecker use their beaks to dig out their cavity nest, and cavities are normally made on the downward facing side of a branch to protect from predators and enemies or rains. Now, next one, cupped nest. So, students, as the name suggests, these nests are cup shaped. These types of nests are cup shaped. They have been made in a variety of location. It is made on variety of location like branches of a tree and shrubs. It is made कहाँ पे ये बनाया जाता है? Branches of tree or shrubs and ground etc. They are mostly made of grass. It is made of grass and have a deep depression for the eggs, and hummingbirds and tailor bird make this type of nest. Hummingbirds and tailor birds make these types of nest. So, tailor bird sew the leaves together to two leaves, and the tailor bird sew that leaves together to make a nest. That's why it makes a hole on the edges of the leaves with its fine beaks and sew them with thread, wool, grass, etc. How tailor bird build their nest? First, tailor bird sew leaves together to make a nest, and it makes holes on the edges of the leaves with its fine beaks, and after that tailor bird sew them with thread, wool or leaves etc. This is why it is called the tailor bird. These birds sew its nest. That's why these birds are called tailor birds. And that bird keep hair, wool, grass and cotton in the nest to make it warm and comfortable. Now, next one, pendant nest. So, the weaver birds and sunbirds weaves a pendant tree. It is like pendant. The weaver birds and sunbird weave a pendant nest. The nest is very beautiful and strong. These types of nest looks beautiful and also strong. It is made of twigs, straw and grass. What is needed for this nest? Straw, grass and twigs. So, the nest hangs from the branch of a tree. These types of nest hang from the branch of tree and has a tunnel like opening at the bottom through which the birds enter its home. Now, care of the young. How birds care to their young ones? So, you already know that the birds lay their eggs in nests, while one of the parents sits on the eggs to keep warm and to warm them. to keep warm or to warm them. First, one parent sit on the eggs and the other one protect them from enemies. One sit on the eggs and another one protect from enemies. After a few days, young ones come out of the eggs. After some days, young ones come out of the eggs. This is called hatching. This process is called hatching, and the baby bird was weak. Birds that baby bird was the baby bird are weak and without feathers. Weak भी होते हैं और feathers भी नहीं होते. That's why they cannot fly, and their eyes are also closed. The parents feed them and look after them. Some days their parents feed them and look after them, and the babies grow up very fast. Babies grow up very fast and develop strings and feathers. After that, they learn to fly. They learn how to fly and look for food also. After some days, the baby birds learn how to fly, how to look food, and in this way, birds care their young ones. So, today's topic is this much. Last topic, nesting habits of birds, types of nest, scrap nest, burrow's nest, cavity nest, coppet nest, pendant nest, care of the young. Now, here are some questions. Let's we do. Name two birds for each of the followings. First one, birds that can fly very high. Which birds can fly very high? Vulture and kite. Let's see right here. Vultures and kites can fly very high. Second one, birds that make cup-shaped neck. Which birds make cup-shaped nest? Which birds that wave? Cup-shaped means cup-shaped nest. Tailor bird and hummingbirds. Tailor birds and hummingbirds make cup-shaped nest. Third one, birds that make burrow nest. Which bird makes burrow nest? Swallow and kingfisher. So write here. Swallow and kingfisher. Now, birds that can fly only a short distance. Which birds can fly only a short distance? Hen and peacock. Hen and peacock can fly only a short distance. So students, this was all in this topic. I hope you all understand this. Thank you.